Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW Z4 key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking just a few minutes from start to finish. You'll be back on the road with a fully functional key in no time, avoiding any inconvenience. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom of your BMW Z4 key. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the old battery. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take a quick mental note of how the old CR 2032 battery is oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring it's sealed properly. Now, test your key fob's functionality with your BMW Z4 to confirm everything is working correctly. You should be able to lock, unlock, and start your car without any issues. For more helpful tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.